Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 1 Hand-on Exercise 2 Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. Total question is 3 and use the semi selection to enter the first early discount formula. Type is equal to D6 minus C6 in cell E6 and click the enter button. So select the E6 and type is equal to type the D6 minus C6 and press enter. Next is double click the cell E6 and fill handle to copy the early discount formula through cell E12. So copy the formula, use double clicks. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is enter the first percent of regular formula. Type is equal to minus C6 divided by D6 in cell F6 and press Control Enter. So select the F6, type is equal to and type 1 minus C6 C6 divided by D6 and press enter. Next is double click in the cell F6 fill handle to copy the percent of formula through cell F12. So copy the formula. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is display the cell formula. So go to the formula tabs and go to the editing groups and click the show formula and hide the cell formula and click the hide the formula. Next is type of 435 in cell C6. So select the C6 and type the 435, press enter. And next is type the 400 in cell C9. So select the C9 and type the 400 and press enter. So question number 3 is complete. So assignment is done and please click OK to submit the assignment. Click OK and check the score is Excel chapter 1 on exercise 2 simulation exam is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.